Hello guys, so I've been using JumpSpeak for a while now, and honestly, it's been a bit of a mixed bag, but I want to share my real experience. First off, the main thing that stands out is how focused it is on practical conversational skills. Unlike apps that just throw vocabulary and grammar at you, JumpSpeak actually puts you into immersive dialogues with chatbots that feel closer to real-life conversations. From day one, I felt like I could actually start speaking in a practical context rather than just memorizing phrases that I'd probably forget. This approach is ideal for Shopify store owners or entrepreneurs looking to pick up a language quickly and efficiently, especially when you're trying to communicate with suppliers or customers in different regions. The speech feedback is pretty intelligent too. It picks up on mistakes and guides you toward proper pronunciation, which I think is huge if you want to sound natural and confident. This is a great feature, especially when you're speaking to real people, whether in person or on the phone for business. Proper pronunciation makes a big difference in how you come across, and it can help build rapport with international clients or partners. Plus, the feedback is immediate, so you can correct mistakes right away, rather than learning bad habits. Another thing I liked is the cultural immersion angle. It's subtle, but you get small insights about the language's culture while you're practicing, especially in languages like Norwegian and Polish. That made the experience feel more genuine than just clicking through exercises. The cultural context really enriches your understanding of the language. For example, if you're trying to break into a new market, understanding the cultural nuances behind the language can give you an edge when interacting with customers or partners. It's not just about speaking the words, but about understanding the context in which they are used. I also appreciated that the app adapts to your pace and what you're likely to encounter in real conversations. It feels personalized in a way that traditional apps, like Duolingo, sometimes don't. You can track your progress in real time and actually see improvements in your ability to handle everyday situations, which is motivating. For a Shopify store owner or anyone running a business, motivation is key to staying consistent. Being able to see tangible progress encourages you to keep going, whether you're practicing new phrases or preparing for an international business call. Plus, this adaptability means that you're always practicing something that's relevant to where you are in your language learning journey. Now, I'll be honest, not everything was perfect. Some parts of the app felt a little clunky, and I've read a few complaints about billing issues and customer service, which matches what I noticed when dealing with subscription questions. The free trial isn't as straightforward as it sounds, and there are a bunch of add-ons that can bump up the cost pretty quickly. So, if you're not paying attention, it's easy to end up spending more than you expected. For beginners especially, it's important to be mindful of these costs. If you're running a Shopify store or have a small business budget, unexpected fees can throw off your plans. It's a good idea to review the app's subscription model thoroughly before committing to ensure you're getting what you expect. Despite that, I think for someone serious about learning a language for real life, JumpSpeak has its strengths. It's not just about memorizing words or passing a test, it's about actually speaking and understanding in context. The conversational practice is honestly fun and engaging once you get into it. And let's face it, we're all busy entrepreneurs, so making learning enjoyable helps you stick with it. For a Shopify store owner trying to learn a new language for business or personal use, the ability to practice real-world conversations on the go makes this app stand out. I wouldn't say it replaces every other tool you might use, but pairing it with apps for structured grammar or vocabulary drills could give you a really well-rounded approach. This way, you're not only learning how to converse, but also strengthening the underlying grammar and vocabulary to support it.
For me, the immersive conversations and cultural insight make it worth the time, even if the billing quirks are annoying. It's definitely a different kind of experience compared to more traditional language apps. And if you're looking to speak confidently, fast, it's something I'd personally recommend trying. The immersive aspect is especially useful for anyone in a global marketplace, where building rapport with international customers or suppliers is key. By practicing real conversations and learning cultural nuances, you'll be able to connect better, faster, and more effectively. So, if you're looking for an app that goes beyond the basics and actually helps you communicate in real life, JumpSpeak is definitely worth checking out.